Okay, this video is to kind of help you get started with this drawing 11A016. And here I've created the object in Inventor so you can kind of see what it looks like in 3D. And this one is an example of using a long break line in a drawing of a long continuous object. So what can I say? It's a long break line, and so it just takes out all the repetitive stuff in the middle and makes it easier to draw. I know you're not involved with it yet, probably, but most of our software packages has a way of dimensioning things that are shortened because of a long break. For each package, it's a little bit different, so you just have to look up the commands on that. Okay, so if you look at this drawing, if you look in the top view and in the front view, there are no hidden lines shown. So what that tells me is that this surface plane right here is at the same height as this angle point here in the back. And the same for this surface plane here is in the same location as this surface plane. Because if you remember back to the hierarchy of lines and line precedence, if you have two lines that lie in the same location, one has precedence over it, and the visible line has precedence over a hidden line. So that tells me, because of these drawings here, that tells me that those lines are in the same location when we look at them in the front and the top view. So that will help you in solving for the dimensions that you're asked for. Okay, so in the questions in the quiz, the first couple of questions are asking about tolerance, and that is found in this drawing. It is found in the title block. Then there's a couple of questions about hidden lines, so you have to visualize the object in the views that it's asking about. And remember the hierarchy of lines as you're answering those questions. And then there are questions about surfaces and planes. Is it an inclined plane? Is it a normal plane? Is it an oblique plane? And if you need to go back and review those pages in your book, do that to get an explanation of it. And then the rest of it is calculating dimensions. And actually, I don't think there's any difficult ones in there, really. Some are given. You just take the corresponding dimension from the opposite side. Some you'll have to do a little bit of math and calculate to get them. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. I don't really know what else to say on that, but if you've got questions, come see me in the lab or send me an email, okay?